Styling a small space? Hobby Lobby's here to help. We'll show you how to make the most of any room by mixing decorative and functional pieces. When it comes to the walls, it's a good idea to incorporate additional storage. Add hooks for everyday necessities. For a clean boho look like this, go with options in neutral colors. And look for ways to include natural textures like wicker and macrame. If you have limited floor space, get creative with multifunctional pieces. Your dresser can double as a vanity, just add a mirror. Keep the look clutter-free with simple, intentional decor. An eclectic mix of styles brings plenty of personality. If you love a maximalist aesthetic, don't let the size of the room limit you. This rustic glam look mixes farmhouse decor with pops of gold and deep, rich color. And here's a space-saving tip. You can repurpose a towel rack for hanging clothes and use a shelf with hooks to organize jewelry. Ready to get started? Hobby Lobby has a huge selection of decor to make a big impact in your small space. For more information, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.